Jensen MSR3007, probably applicable to similar models. This is inside of my boat. I don't know if you can hear the music, but it sounds like crap. Something's wrong with this radio, and I wanted to upgrade it with a Bluetooth version anyway, so I'm not going to bother trying to fix it. But I never got the keys to remove it. And I did a lot of searching online. I couldn't find very much, but I eventually found an old eBay auction that showed the keys that look like they're just flat pieces of metal. So I'm going to take this piece of sheet metal, hopefully it's thin enough, and some cutters, and make myself some keys. So on the side of the stereo here, there's these little plastic covers. I'll just put it back on for a second to show you, right? It goes like that. And you flip them back, and there's a little slot in there. And the key needs to fit in there. So I'm going to take a rough measurement. I'm not going to go too crazy on this. Oh. I'm going to have to do this upside down. Let's see if I can do this on video. Just a rough measurement, a little bigger. What is that about? Looks like it's about 8.3 millimeters. I think 8 millimeters will do the trick. So I marked 8 millimeters at the top, and I'm going to just use this caliper to scratch a line in there. Again, this doesn't have to be precision. The idea is that it just releases the clips inside. I think I'm going to just keep going because I need two of them. Oh, I just moved my marking. 8 millimeter. This isn't the best caliper because you can't lock it. So I'm trying to hold it and hold the camera and mark at the same time. So, should have brought a tripod with me today because I'm just going to start clipping it and then I'll cut back. I'll cut back the video when I'm done cutting the metal. So, one of the downsides of cutting this way is that now my piece of metal is all twisted. So I'll have to straighten that and see if I can get it to work. Okay, straightened and cut in half. Here's the big truth-telling moment. It's going to be difficult to do this all while holding the camera. Oh yeah, that felt like it went in and pushed something out of the way, the clip out of the way, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. Let's try this side. Okay. Oh. Well, that didn't exactly work as I expected. Actually, it did. I just had to wiggle and jiggle. Oh, there you go. My right side clip is still in there, but it's still there, so I can get it out. Whoa, look at that. It's been in there since 2008. Anyway, there you go. If you have a Jensen MSR3007 or something similar that has these little plastic covers with little slits in them, and you've lost your keys and you want to remove the radio, just cut some sheet metal, cut it to about 8 millimeters, maybe about 5 inches long, and there's your key.